So the bird killers are here to check out to see if there's any more birds here.
Can you reach their signs of document? And you give me one, you have one. Hello. Hello, hi. How are you? Hi.
Hi,
hi, how are you?
We're going to spray it or no?
We already sprayed.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm going to do it today.
Oh, you're spraying your...
I'm going to forward it.
Good, that's good job, yeah.
So when can we get test results that are on our birds?
You did it 20 days ago.
You have one? I have one.
They didn't give us no test results yet. They're showing our birds are positive for this virus.
Thank you.
6311 Charles Avenue.
Tell me what is the bird file. That's it. And I will leave in 1 minute.
Well, the first I don't have a bird anymore. You took it already.
Yeah, I know.
Sure,
I
okay.
just look at it. That's it. 1 minute.
Chila, no.
Hey.
But we have to do that to be sure that everything is fine. But if everything is fine, and then we go. But the birds were here, correct?
Yeah, right here and tell. I have a fish already.
Just here, correct?
Yeah,
No more.
no more.
Now,
When can I have more? I mean, when can I have
you have to get a letter from California State Department of Food and Agriculture. It's a release letter. But even though we're gonna do the 120 inspection, it's the last day 120, but you cannot get birds still. You get bird when California State give you permission as a release letter, and then you will not be under quarantine anymore. But that is come from the state, Sacramento. We just do the job here.
So when do we get test results on our birds? Saying that they're...
But I don't understand why you killed the bird. I mean, my bird's not sick. I don't understand why you killed it.
Yeah, the problem is the area is infected with virus. So even though your bird is not sick, but you are in an area that you will get infected with the virus because the virus is around you. So the virus will move like this. So even though we sample the chicken and they don't have virus, but you exist in a land that infected with virus. That's why the doctor,
my dog.
of the state of California give us this decision. We don't do it. It comes from California state that this land is infected. Mostly even the bird sample not safe.
You don't have a medicine for it. I mean,
The virus is very harsh to give medicine to because the virus will kill the bird no matter how you treat it. Because the virus is not bacteria. It's bacteria you can treat it, but virus you cannot treat it. So, horse?
Yeah.
But not bird.
No, not bird. I put the horse right there where I have the fruit before.
Oh yeah, but the virus is just for birds, poultry consumed by humans.
¿Para qué le enseñan?
Doesn't live in a... What did you say?
Huh? Oh, no, that's it.
I didn't understand.
You want to check the other corral, ¿verdad?
¿Para qué? No hay nada.
Is that bird?
No, I don't have a bird. No, no bird.
Yeah.
I have a little horse right now. I put it in the corral right there.
Don't worry about horses. The virus doesn't go to the horses. The virus was poultry. It means chicken, ducks, like goose, like turkey, big bird, but not horse. No. So that is the decision to come in. That's not us. That's California thing. Because the land is around you is infected. So
I don't let your dog out.
No, they don't go. She don't go.
Oh, excuse me, dog.
Yeah, they cannot open. It's not dangerous enough for the dog.
No, it's not.
Oh,
It's
okay.
not.
Yeah, because how when I buy it, I can put it in. I had to keep it in the corral or something, and then later, about probably 2 to 3 hours to get dry, I can let it go.
Yeah, you have to wait till it dries.
Yeah, but the other one I think is very strong.
Okay, yeah.
It's too strong for that.
Yeah.